So we are on like the 7th edition of just the first video, and today is February 3rd. So yeah, I'm a couple days behind, but that's not a big issue. I wanted to try to do it like every day, edit the video, put it out that day, but that's just way too fucking ambitious. So instead, I'm gonna be releasing them 2 days behind, which is fine. So many issues with Adobe Premiere Pro, just little changes that aren't there when you edit the video, and then when you export it, all of a sudden there's all this pixelation and bullshit. Adobe needs to improve their products. Anyways, let's start the day. Fuck, I forgot one. Okay. Did you forget?
No, I don't.
Oh, okay, so she's perfect, right? It's a good thing because it means that I'm not thinking about COVID. I'm not thinking in my COVID brain that we all have developed. But at the same time, I always got to ask people when I pull up to their restaurant, like, oh, excuse me, do you have an extra mask? Yes, sir. There'll be a $12,000 surcharge. Can you see that? Yeah, you can see. Looks like there's a volcano or something. Hazy sun. We have this cool little museum on our street that we've never went to in almost 2 years, so shout out to us. But they have this sick little mosaic right here. Check it out. I'll have to come back and tell you what this means, but it's pretty cool. Unfortunately, Lisbon's not really giving me that Lisbon light today that really makes everything pop. It's like the first not completely sunny day that we've had in like, what, 2 weeks?
Probably.
It's been a weird winter here. It's my girlfriend, by the way. I'll introduce her on the vlog. My beautiful, lovely Brazilian girlfriend. Her name is
Nyandra.
So normally here in Lisbon, in the winter time, usually starts in January, to be honest. Doesn't ever snow, obviously. Stays like in the 50s and 60s mostly. This year, there's nothing. No rain at all, which is not gonna be good in the summer for all the places that need all the rainwater. But for right now, it seems really cool because we're not even really having a winter. I can't remember the last time it was below 60 degrees for the day. There's a new cafe that opened up here called Baobá. It's a Brazilian cafe. In fact, it's a farm in Brazil, coffee farm, and they opened some cafes in Brazil, and I guess they had plans for a while to open one here in Lisbon, and so they did, and we are so in love with it. Really, really awesome baristas, super nice, and also really good. And most importantly, they have pão de queijo, which is truly a delicacy of the highest level. Look at this. That's cheese built into the dough. There's not like a cheesy center and then just like dough. It's like cheese dough the whole way through. Top, you got like some of the cheese that like burns on it. It is the greatest thing you've probably never tasted. See this woman right here? She's like a little Lisbon legend. I don't actually know her name, but holy shit, this woman is everywhere, every day. She walks all over the city, and Lisbon is not easy to walk in. There are hills everywhere. It's all cobblestones, but she's an absolute legend. She walks around every day. I see her in every part of the city. She is literally 95 years old. I don't know her name, but she's gonna live to be like 175 for sure. One of my absolute favorite things about this city is just like magic, enchanting vibe that you can't really, I've never felt it anywhere else. I've been in a lot of different countries, in a lot of different locations and latitudes, but there's nowhere really like Lisbon when it comes to the environment, the atmosphere, and the way that the light mixes with the buildings to create this kind of like aura that everybody feels when they come here. There's a reason why everybody comes here for a trip, and they either never want to leave or they don't ever leave. They just end up staying or finding a way to live here, like me. Bruh. So with that, I'm gonna leave you guys. I appreciate you watching. I'm gonna go grab a shower, play with my cat, and then I'm gonna edit this video. As you can see, my brain is not firing at all, but I hope this vlog was fire. I hope this vlog was fire. Okay, bye.